Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo and I'm back again with another video. I have not been posting a lot of videos and I want to say I'm sorry. It's just I've been busy and life busy. But the month of April, I'm going to be posting a video every single day. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to give more information about that. But anyways, today is Saturday, March 8th, 2025. And I'm doing a 10:50 a.m. and I'm doing a trade recap for the week. So let me go to a trading tracker. Let's go to March. Obviously, as you can tell, this week we didn't take no trades. Like no trade. Now there was a potential trade, like I put here. There was a trade on gold, and I was sleeping because I went to bed like late that night. So I was sleeping in. I didn't get up to trade because honestly, I didn't expect there to be a setup because market conditions right now. But yeah, there was a setup on gold. I missed the entry, so I didn't take the trade, and it already had the push. Now I was contemplating, do I want to take this trade? Do I want to not take this trade? I ended up not taking it just because I didn't want to take the trade in the middle of the trend, put my stop loss at, where it's gonna be. One, if I put my stop loss at where I would normally put it, that's a large stop loss. And then two, if I put it at like an area above it, then that's not a good stop loss because price could reverse, eventually pull back, and then continue to the upside. So it just didn't make sense to me. I didn't take the trade, and it's all good because that trade, like the market literally just reversed completely and crashed. See, markets are doing a lot of fake outs lately, and they playing games right now, and I don't want to play no games with them, right? So I'm staying back. But anyways, let's get into it. I did take a trade, but it wasn't like, it was just a trade from my account. So when you don't trade for a while on your account, on your front account, they tell you, hey, there's been inactivity, like you should probably take a trade or they're gonna shut down your account. So I just took a trade just so they see like, okay, I'm still using the account. But let's go to gold first. Oh man, what is going on right here? This is disgusting. There's a lot going on. All right, cool. Let's go to Monday. Cool. So I pull up to the market on Monday. Obviously, we're bearish on the daily, weekly. We are bullish, but daily we're bearish. Wait. Yeah, okay. 4 hour we're bearish. 1 hour we're bearish. But I'm coming to the chart. I'm looking to buy. So let's wait till the next morning. Oh, okay, right there. So next morning comes. Now we're bullish on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, we're pulling back. We're still bearish, and in daily, we're still bearish. So now I can do two things right here. One, I can either sell because we're going with the daily trend because the daily and the 4 hour are selling, so I could sell, or I could potentially buy to the upside here because now we see the shift of structure, big push, and now it's consolidation and it's going to push again. So coming to the market, I was just looking to buy. I wasn't even on the chart really Monday, but if I was, I would be looking to buy. Obviously, price did his shenanigans and whatever, just flowed. Did not give an entry signal. But on silver though, beautiful trade on silver. Pull back, oh, sorry. So it's gold we're looking to sell, but silver, we're also looking to sell. Okay, cool. But the lower time frame has shifted. The 4 hour has shifted. So it was bullish, 1 hour was bullish, 15 minutes bullish. So I'm looking to buy on gold. I'm looking to buy on silver. Now, bro, gold didn't give a clear set of right, but silver, look at it. Literally, I put this here, didn't touch because it pulled back to it. It literally didn't touch it. And if it doesn't touch it, I can't take the trade. It's that simple. You gotta be disciplined, you gotta follow your rules. First of all, it didn't touch it. Second of all, it didn't give a morning start. Now, if you go on the 30-minute, maybe, but this is not a good morning start. Like, I need this candle to be up here, give me a nice morning start. But it didn't touch it, so we're gonna take a trade. EMAs were rejecting too. Oh, this was such a good setup. It just didn't give me that entry signal. And I'm so glad I didn't take this because imagine I had taken it just because it looked like a good setup and price initially reversed on me. Then I would have been mad at myself for not following my rule and breaking my trading plan. And then also it didn't hit the TP that I wanted. So it is what it is, right? It happens. So then we go back on gold. And so now, let's go to the daily. So now gold is pushing to the upside. Now we're bullish. I'm looking to buy, come into the market. Cool. Next morning, come to the market. Now we're having a big push to the upside. Go down to a lower time frame. Find a nice, beautiful order block. Now, this is Tuesday right here. Look, Tuesday, March 4th. Let's go right here. I'll show you. Tuesday, March 4th. You see? This is what I put. There was a trade opportunity, but I go back. I was sleeping. So I had went to bed at like 1 at this time, and I didn't feel like waking up early to trade. Plus, I didn't expect it to be a setup because markets are consolidation right now. So beautiful order block, pull back to it, give an entry signal, and then price push. Now, when I got to the chart, I got to the chart at this point. Now this is what I was talking about earlier. So I want to take a trade right here, put my stop loss all the way down here, and just for me to get a TP right here. Nah, that just doesn't make sense to me. Like this stop loss is way too long. Or if I put my stop loss here, that's not good because price. I would want to. This is the initial trade I would want to take. Actually, let me just move this one. This is the initial trade right here. Take the trade at this close. Stop loss a little below. This is the trade that I would want to take. Beautiful trade, 1 to 4, right? Yeah, 1 to 5. This is just a beautiful trade that I want to take. But me taking it up here and putting my stop loss here is not good. Because now if price were to, let's say it wants to do this shenanigan right here, blah, 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 pull back deep all the way down here before it pushes up and do all that. I don't want to be caught up in that. I don't want to be caught up in that. So me putting my stop loss here just didn't make sense to me. So yeah, I was contemplating taking this trade. Eventually I didn't take this trade because look at what happened. Blah. Like, who would have predicted this? Who would have predicted this? I don't even understand what happened. It was flowing too. And honestly, if I had taken this trade and it was flowing like this, you best believe like I'm gonna let this trade play out. And from what I learned from previous trades is that usually I would cut my trade like somewhere here. But let's say this trade, I could hold it for 2 or 3 days and let it play out all the way to my TP. Look at that 1 to 5. But I'm glad I didn't take this trade. It is what it is. If I was on the chart at the time, I definitely would have taken this trade. It just makes sense to me. It looks like a good trade. Setup, EMAs are right there as well. Just beautiful trade overall. Going with the trend. I'm okay with this trade. So we avoided this loss. And then silver. Oh, okay. So I was waiting for this pullback to this order block, which it did. Oh, it's at 3 something. Whatever. Made a new order block. Waited for this pullback. Didn't pull back to it, but had the big push because gold was pushing right here. So yeah, didn't pull back till 8:15-ish. I'm not on the chart at this time. And obviously if I had taken it, this is a nice morning star. But I don't like how this long wick is rejected. This is not good. I don't like that. But it's okay. Here, let me move this so y'all can see better. All right, cool. So I would have taken this trade, put my stop loss below here, and then TP1. TP1 would have been somewhere like, yeah, probably at this high right here. But if I want to hold it for the whole week, then we'll hold it right there. So yeah, it's a decent trade. We avoided that loss. I'm okay with that. Coming to the market on Wednesday. Again, we're looking to buy because now we're pushing to upside. And also the daily shifted bullish. So that's why I'm looking to buy. Like the daily close above here now, it's bullish to me. And then on silver, show you. It's still bearish on silver, I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah. So, oh no, silver shifted. Yeah, definitely shifted. So I was looking to buy coming to the market. That's why. Hey, man. Cool. So, price came to the market at 6 o'clock, right? Yeah, 6 o'clock. Cool. Find this order block, obviously on the 30-minute, but it didn't get mitigated till 5:30-ish. Pull back, but didn't give a good entry signal. Now this is why you need to stay disciplined because look what happened. Look at this push right here. Had a big push. Now the 15-minute looks trash, right? Let's go to the 30-minute. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful morning star. The only problem is this morning star has 2 doji candlesticks. And I don't like this. I don't like this doji candlestick. I don't like this 2. And I wrote it in my Telegram chat. Like these trades, I wrote it in my Telegram. I said, hey, this setup happened. I didn't take it because of this. I just don't trust the 2 dojis. If it was just this one, yes. If it was this one, that's iffy because it's like a long wick. It did feel the wick, but it's just iffy. I don't like the 2. So beautiful set. It literally gave it to me. I just didn't take it because it just didn't make sense to me. So overall, didn't take it, and then obviously look what happened. How do people trade in these conditions? How do people do this? Now I am on the 30-minute and the 15-minute, but maybe on the 5 minutes clear. I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something, but man, like, how am I supposed to capitalize off of this? There's no clear like pattern. This is just, there's no clear pattern. And then gold, that's on gold. And then on silver, look, it pulled back eventually. There's no clear pattern in this market right now. Like, I don't understand this. It did hit my TP though, so that's something. But man, just not good setup. And then, I'm being honest with y'all, Thursday, I didn't care about it. I was not trading on Thursday. Why are you? Oh, okay. So reason I was looking to sell, because let's go on the daily, I'm gonna show you this. We're bullish. But if you go on gold, we had this big push right here. Now, gold, I did say that I shift bullish because we broke above here. But if you go to a lower time frame, look at that shift on the 4 hour. Beautiful bearish shift. And then 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, it just makes sense to sell. Yes, like daily is bullish now, and the weekly is bullish. But 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, they're all bearish. Now, eventually they could shift back to the upside to float the trend, but I don't know how likely that is. So I was looking to sell on gold, therefore I was looking to sell on silver, even though silver is bullish. Now silver did give a setup eventually. Yeah, pull back to the order block. Big push. I wanted to take this trade, but I needed to close below here. Since I didn't get the close below here, I didn't take the trade, and then eventually, oh, it's on the 30 minutes. Sorry, this is setup right here. Now I didn't look at this long word right here, but I didn't like the way this closed. I needed to close below here to know that okay, it's going to the downside. It didn't close below here. Obviously, did shenanigans, and then look what happened. Just went up. So we avoided a loss by being disciplined and following your trading plan. Just be disciplined. That's it. You know what you gotta do. Just do it. Gold, I was looking to sell. Eventually, it did pull back at like 10, and then it flowed down to like 4 p.m. But I didn't really care. Look at that big push right there. So I didn't really care too much. And then Friday, I'll be honest with y'all, I was not on the charts on Friday. I didn't care. Friday, I did not care. I was looking to buy though. Eventually, price did pull back, but later on, out of my session, look, and news and consolidation. Like, how do you trade in this market condition, man? And then silver. Now, what am I supposed to do with this? I don't know. Look at this evening star pattern right here, though. Look, beautiful evening star pattern. Again, with 2 candles, but if you go on a 30-minute, it's cleaner. So, yeah, overall, really good trading week. Again, we're practicing discipline, we're practicing patience, and we're having faith, trusting that God will provide the good setups that we need, and God is working all things for the good of those that love Him according to His purpose for us. I'm just trusting God. I'm having faith and being patient. Being patient. Stay down till you come up. And yeah. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. This is my funded account. Yeah. I'm just chilling. Yeah. So January we had a lot of setups. Way back. What is that? I don't know what that is. Cool. So obviously January we had a lot of setups. Not in the beginning of the month, but later on in the month we had a lot of setups, which I could have capitalized off of better, but that's on me. February we had a couple of setups, which I did capitalize correctly, but you know, not a lot. And then March so far, not much. Just chilling, just waiting patiently. So yeah, remember, stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and remember, the magic you're looking for is in the work you're avoiding. So you got to put that work in. And I'm talking to myself too. I got to put more work in. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and like, subscribe, and comment. God bless y'all.